bike. Where are we going, Charlie? Tokyo drifted this fucking over. We're in the wrong lane. Hey, oh boy, we gotta go catch up to cards. Professional. Holy shit. Company card on the company card. Here we go. Sean, let's get a quick interview. Sean, quick interview. What's going on here?
Marty Barrett, Buffalo Fire, saving millions of people.
Oh, Gino's leaving you. Gino's leaving you. Someone's fucking. Here. It's Keith's credit card. Gino, what do you got to say?
Well, you gotta go.
Oh, okay. Goodbye. Fucking Gino. Fucking
Oh, that
idiot.
guy's about to snow over him.
You need gas? Or no? Oh, yeah, we're good.
Whoa.
Where are we going?
We're going to take care of some Christmas trees. That's the kind of Christmas tree I had every night.
What, that?
Yep. Whoa. There's a fucking...
Right, go right. Gino's to the right.
Whoa. Buddy, watch out. I'm coming in hot.
We gotta go catch up to Gino.
Oh!
Oh!
Move the truck!
Let's go see what. I gotta go record. Camera crew.
Hey,
We have to go to
move
Canada.
your truck forward.
We have to go to Canada. Which way is that?
Canada's that way.
Okay, so we have to push that way then.
All right, well, I'm going to push snow out of the way
Yeah,
first so
that's
we
right.
can get out of here. Let's start.
The door is open.
Yeah.
Right now. No, we're good. I think it was leak effect.
Yeah.
We were on I-91 and they closed it down. And then we took the 75.
Where are you guys coming from?
Cleveland.
Cleveland, oh boy.
And look at you out here. We're supposed to leave earlier, but
What's this guy doing behind you?
Tell them to go.
You're good.
You got 4-wheel drive?
no, man, the front.
Oh boy.
Boss, where do you want me to go?
This is the boss man.
How'd you guys get in this predicament?
They were on their way home from Cleveland.
Got some over there and we got some help from the main site.
There's a mobile one here. We fill up gas and then it routed us through electric
We're
and
gonna try and
down
push it.
here.
We're gonna turn traction control off of this car.
You want to pull it?
We're gonna try and push it.
I don't know what this dude's doing behind us in the 6'4".
Joe, we got it. Where's the hook at?
Hey, push.
Oh.
Ready?
Get him, Gino, get him.
Sender.
Go, gas, give it gas.
Full gas.
Giving full gas, all right, go. Here.
Yes, that's super fun.
Here, watch out, Carter. No, go, it's moving, we're going. Come on, Gino, push.
He's got it. Hey. Go slow. I'll tell you when to stop. Right, stop. And now, put it in, drive it, hit it. Go. Go. Keep going. Don't hit it. No, keep going. What's the heck? Go.
Oh,
Yeah, thanks for
take care, good, safe travels. Give me one of them.
You guys good?
Give me one of them.
Did they Venmo you or no?
Yeah, I can get it.
Yeah. Be safe.
Oh, Carter's sideways. Carter's sideways. There he goes. There he goes. That was on purpose. That was totally on purpose. Whoa, shit! Where are we going, Charlie?
I can't even see where the parking lot is.
Oh boy, here we are.
Oh, yeah,
5-star plowing.
hopefully they got some of the
There's cards.
torpedoes.
What's going on?
I'll give you extra money. I just need gas. There's nobody open. You serious?
Stop. That's gonna
What's
be-
that?
What?
I don't know. What is
What'd you
I just need some gas.
He says he's got no sleep last 2 nights.
Can I take some windshield wiper fluid? Fucking scumbag.
Dude, so you guys, no one has a fucking iPhone chargers?
Can we go home?
Yo, we're driving.
Gino down.
I want to
Gino down.
I want to drive by the hotel and wake everyone up.
You know, I just need gas.
Oh, where the fuck's open?
Should we go bang on the... Start throwing snowballs at him.
Freezing cold. Oh, is he walking to go shovel?
Yeah.
What's he think? It's gonna get any warmer? Shovel it?
What was that?
The
I
windshield.
can't see. The snow's so deep. The goddamn plow's hitting the snowbank and go.
Fucking Cletus.
What the fuck? The plow blade won't go down again. Is that a fucking plow truck? I gotta get the plow blade to go down first. Yep.
There's a front loader right there. There.
Carter!
Oh my gosh, Carter's gonna get in an accident.
Oh my god!
Oh boy, Cards is coming to save ya.
Yeah, sadly.
Well, it worked again.
There we go. We're back online.
Fucking.
His thing wouldn't go down. We were
Relays are all
driving.
full of snow under there. So when Jaden gets back, I'm gonna go blow it all out.
We're
plowing people's driveways and it won't go down. I'm like, well, we're fucked now.
Then it randomly goes boom.
We'll be driving. I forget I got it on float mode. It'll just fly down in the middle of the road.
Nice.
This kid's gonna blow his truck up tonight.
Probably.
It was funny.
Chris, you gotta subscribe to my YouTube.
No.
Yeah.
Ask him what happened to his grill.
Oh boy. It's going a little too fast.
That was going a little too fast.
Dude, he's so funny, this guy.
Taking Chris down the fucking road.
I got a Power Stroke. It's better than your Duramax.
Them two would be arguing all fucking night about it. He goes, Chris, how many beers you got in you?
Pulling him now. He's yanking on his truck.
Tug of war.
Tug of war.
Duramax.
What do you say?
You gotta find a fucking gas.
You got gas in
What's up, Kenny? Hey!
One cut, two jump, man.
Hey!
Kenny! Dude, I'm glad to see you. Ain't you glad to see us? Yeah, I'll drive there. Can he sit in the back? Is there any way-
Cause he doesn't know directions, and I know it's not.
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
That's it. But,
He can sit on the floor. He don't-
All right.
Here, watch out.
Oh! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Oh boy! Thank you, Kenny. Oh, thank you.
Oh, the young guy crazy.
Thank-
Kenny, you're going home.
All right.
You excited to go home, Kenny?
Oh yeah. Hey, what's up? Hey, yo, young guy. Ain't it? Oh yeah. There you go. Oh boy. Yeah, I'll go inside. Hey, cut it out.
Hold on.
No. Look at the layer of ice.
You got a video of me doing donuts?
I gotta help push you real quick, and then I'll get in. I gotta help push.
They got hot chocolate in there. I don't think so.
3, 2, 1, go!
No.
Turn it on.
Yep. Pull it up.
All right, ready? Go.
Yep.
The video.
Oh, for YouTube.
Second one.
You want to say hi to everyone?
Hi, everyone.
Oh, Kenny.
Are you just moving out here?
Yeah, he's nervous.
You just moved out here?
Yeah, right.
He's gonna go to some parties with that.
I think construction. Yeah, you do something.
You want to do concrete work?
What?
Concrete?
Concrete.
Hey, where's Jaden?
You make a video. Come on.
We got a new employee.
Hey, Jay.
He wants
It's
to come
tough.
do concrete.
Honey, you want to come do concrete? You do the construction? I do concrete. You do concrete?
Give me your dad's phone number. Your phone number.
You do? You do?
He owns a company.
Oh, okay.
It's
okay,
concrete. Best concrete
Call
around.
my phone number.
Might just have to cut it. Watch out. Let me look in there. Oh, you got to feed the bottom up through the top.
Trying.
There you go. Keep pushing up. Yeah. Why are you panting like a goddamn ape?
Oh my gosh. Hey. The other half of our toe strap. Sean.
That's yours. Come in. We're going to take a piss. You got to come with me. Leave your truck here, brother. We got to do it. Watching it. We're taking a piss real quick. I don't have to piss.
I let my watch talk for me, my whip talk for me, my gat talk for me. Bah, what up, homie? My watch saying hi, shorty, we could be friends. My whip saying quit playing, bitch, get in. My earring saying we can hit them all together. Shorty, it's only right that we ball together.